Okay. So guys, the next one is evaluate expression and evaluate expression band. We'll discuss these two calculated fields. Okay. For example, ERP system is nothing but company data, correct? Online people. ERP system is nothing but a company's employee data. This employee data should communicate it from one system to another system, correct or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. It means the company should communicate it to any government tax system generally. Employee level, every month company should deduct at the taxation. The tax amount needs to be sent to the governmental tax systems, correct? So it means your company should communicate it to the government tax systems. And if you take in India, currently we are in the GST. Every quarterly, the each employee level how much we deducted. So that information we capture and sending to the government systems, and government system will receive the amount, and government systems will issue the form 16. Okay, this amount we received against for this particular PAN card. So the data is communicate between the company and government systems, correct or not? So in your company using the Workday and government system using the Oracle system. Government system currently using the Oracle and your company using Workday. If you are sending the data, is it should match 100% Oracle system? No, right?
No, sir.
No. So because maybe company using Workday product having different information, maybe government system using Oracle system, government may using the Oracle system, right? So Oracle system is having a different format. A very good example, company using Workday, right? So let's take the gender details. We have a male or female not declared. But when it comes to the local government tax system Oracle is referring the gender details like this. Instead of male, they are referring F, female, they are referring F, not declared, they are referring NA. Okay, guys? Yeah, so usually when you are transferring the data from one system to another system, any one system can adjust the data same as other system. We can call it as a data mapping. Okay, either company should map the data same as tax system, or tax system should map the data same as Workday. Which is the most powerful, these two systems? Company system powerful or government system is powerful?
Company.
So company system is the most powerful. Okay, so company system is the most powerful because if government system is adjusting the data same as one company, maybe other company using different software. Again, government system is keep updating the data. It's not good. And most powerful is government system. Government system, they are telling very strongly, hey, this is my format. This is my format. You should adjust the same as my format. That's it. And all companies should should be adjusted same as the government tax system format. Yes, they are going to adjust the data, they will send that. So these processes we can call it as a data mapping. So what is the data mapping? Any one of the system can adjust the data format same as other system. For example, if you take the company, how this company is sending the local government tax system, gender, instead of male, they want to return F, female F, not declare NA. So how you are going to do the data mapping in custom report? how you are performing these kind of data mapping in your custom report. Yes, with help of calculated field. Perfect. Yes. How you are doing the data mapping using the custom report. So very simple. Using the calculated field, we'll do the data mapping with help of evaluate expression or evaluate expression back. Okay, guys. Anybody knows this conditional statements in Workday or any software? This is the if condition, right? If condition is true, the statement will execute. Okay, guys.
Yes,
Then
sir.
while condition
Yes, sir.
is true, the statement will execute. For loop. In the for loop, condition 1 and condition 2, we have a multiple conditions and based on the active count, the statement will execute. And evaluate expression is nothing but a multiple if conditions. Multiple if conditions. Multiple if conditions is nothing but evaluate expression. Evaluate expression. Okay, guys? Multiple if conditions is nothing but a evaluate expression. Anybody can anyone have any doubts? If condition, while condition? Hmm?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So generally, let's come out of the subject, guys. Every Wednesday, KFC have offers. Every Wednesday, KFC is giving offer. 30% offer is given. This should work as a while condition. Okay. This is a while condition. Whenever Wednesday come, this will be applicable. Correct or not? Okay. Online people.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Then this is the complete while condition. Whenever Wednesday, this should work. If condition means if today is your date of birth, if your today, if today is your date of birth, online people, hope you understand. If today is your date of birth, okay, 50% bonus. KFC introduced one more offer. Generally, if you give any of the identity ID proof, maybe your date of birth is today, 50% offer is there. Generally, this will keep repeated. Yes or no? Every week it will repeat. It will repeat it for this year. Is this repeated condition or only once a while condition?
Once a while.
Once a while. If this condition is true, then this statement will execute. It will execute only one time. It will execute only one time. This will execute more than one time. Simple basic conditions, guys. If that statement is true, the condition is true, then statement will execute. If condition will execute only one time always, while condition will execute one time, multiple times. Similarly, for loop conditions, multiple times. They offered Wednesday and Saturday. Multiple conditions they added. Huh? And only, okay, Wednesday Saturday 30% up to till June. Only 6 months. Then this is the for loop. Multiple conditions for a particular time period. The statement will execute, right? Then this will be a for loop. Very simple, guys. Nothing. Will tell you the practically. Then you understand more that. See, if condition is true, statement will execute. While condition is true, statement will execute. For loop, condition one, condition two, multiple conditions, and based on the count, yes, the statement will execute. Evaluate expression is nothing but nested if conditions. Nested if means multiple if conditions. A multiple if condition 1, if condition 2, if condition number 3 is nothing but evaluate expression. Okay, let's create the custom report and I will show you the result. Okay, don't worry. Create the custom report. RR underscore 128 underscore calculated field version number 3. Let's take the all active and terminated workers for your easy understand. Company, employee ID, full name, gender, so total annual CTC. Let's take these 5 fields, okay, and we'll create the a couple of conditions so that you can easy to understand, okay. So how your gender details are coming? Female, male, if anyone not declare, not declare. Complete name is coming. What exactly you are looking for? If male you want to return M, if female you want to return F, not declare you want to return NA. So let's do one thing. Go to a true or false condition. What is that? True or false condition. RR underscore 128 underscore CF underscore male true. What condition you are adding, guys? Male true. Click on OK. What condition you are looking for? It's a true or false condition. Gender equal to male. If gender equal to male, this condition will true. This condition will return true, guys. Apart from anything, this will return false. That's the behavior of this calculated field. Online people, hope you understand. Simple logic.
Yes, sir.
Gender equal to male, then this condition satisfied. It will return true. Apart from any other thing, this will return false. This will return false, guys. Okay, let me add this into report output. you will get more clarity. Okay. Go to custom report and edit. Please add next to the gender. See, if gender equal to male, this condition satisfied, this written true, yes, right? Apart from any other things, no. That's why it is coming blank, by defaultly blank, no. See, if gender equal to male, this condition satisfied or not?
Yes, sir.
It's satisfied, it says yes. Apart from any other thing, it says no. Yeah, and then it is written blank. Okay, perfect. I'm creating the text constant now. Okay, RR underscore 128 underscore CF underscore text constant. Click on OK. I'm looking for text constant M. Which one? Text constant M. That's it. Now, can I create the evaluate expression? Can I? RR underscore 128 underscore CF underscore evaluate expression. Click on OK. See, when you are creating the evaluate expression, do you see the field type is mandatory? Correct or not? Online people, field type is mandatory. So, in Workday, how many field types we have? 10 different field types we have. Text field, numeric field, date field, currency field, boolean value, day to date and time zone, correct? Boolean, single instance and multi instance. In case if you selected the single instance, if you selected the single instance field type, okay, the return values you should get only single instance field type. See now, all are single instance field types. Correct or not? If you selected the text field, the return value you can get only text field T T T T T T T. See, if you selected the numeric value field type, the return values you should select only numeric field values. See na, number field values. If you selected the date field, the return values you can only select the date field. See na, calendar, date field types. Hope you understand the behind the logic of the evaluate expression. Evaluate expression must be defined the field type. Whatever field type you selected, the return values must be selected from the same field type values. Now you anybody can speak out. Evaluate expression is nothing but multiple if conditions. See na? Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. See na? Multiple if conditions is nothing but evaluate expression. See, what is this? Yeah, this is the right. This is the condition, and this is the return values. See, if condition is true, then these values must be written. Correct or not? Yes or no? If that condition is true, this value will execute.
Yes, sir.
Now anybody can speak out. This is your condition. If this condition is true, then this value must be written. Anybody can speak out as per your requirement. As per your requirement, what field type I would like to select here? What field type I would select here? So, okay, what is your
Yes.
condition? What is your condition? If gender equal to male is your condition. So what value you want to return?
True.
Text, sir.
True.
True.
It has to return.
This condition says true here. What value you want to return here? If gender equal to male, what value you want to return here?
M.
M, sir.
M.
Baba, I'm sure if I can bring 10th class student, he can listen my session, he can answer without knowing,
Boolean
without
value, sir.
it should, he will say immediately.
Boolean conditions.
Again, Boolean condition. If gender equal to
It will return.
what value you want to return here? M. That's what I'm sure. I'm honestly saying I'm challenging this. I can bring one 10th class student. He can listen my session from day one, from this first class also. He can answer immediately.
ఫీల్డ్ టైప్ ఏమీ లేదు కదమ్మా.
That's what I'm asking, right? That's what I'm asking. If gender equal to male, what value want your return? M.
M.
Then what
M.
I want to select here?
Text.
Text.
That's what I'm asking.
ఫీల్డ్ టైప్ ఇవ్వాలమ్మా.
If I give the numeric value, can I get the text constant?
No,
Can I
sir.
get the text
No, sir.
constant?
No, sir.
That's what I'm asking. So generally this condition says true if gender equal to male. So what value you are looking for? M. So M
M.
is what field type I'm asking. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting some answers. Can't you think like this? Really, that much difficult this is? So much algorithm, so much complexity. If okay, this is the condition you are going to write. If this condition satisfied, you must be write some value here. If you selected the field type as a numeric, can I get the text constant?
No.
No, sir.
అవును.
See what it says? No matching. Then what field type you can select here?
టెక్స్ట్.
Text field type you can select and try. Text constant is coming or not? So what field type you can select here? What field type you can select here?
Text field types.
Just identity, I'm just add the M. Okay, save this. So the field type must be text, and then you can select your text constant M. Click on OK to save. See, it is throwing an error. Default values must be required. Can I take the temporarily empty string? Just take the default value is empty string. So how this will work? If this condition is satisfied, this value must be written M, and this value must be specified come by field type. Whatever field type you selected here, only the same field type value you can select here. That's the main logic of the evaluate expression. So if gender equal to male, this will return M. Apart from anything, the default value it will come. Correct or not? Okay, let me go to the evaluate expression. Just copy this, add it to the report line. If gender equal to male, yes, this condition satisfied. Yes, this condition satisfied. Yes, this value must be written. That's the evaluate expression logic. If this condition is true, see, written. If the condition is true, this value must be written. See, that's what we written. See, this condition satisfied, M is written. Apart from that, default value empty string is coming. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So this is for only one logic you added. Can I add it the same as for female also? Let's create one more true or false condition. Okay, you created one more female condition. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Can I create the text constant also? Text constant F. Select the F. Can I add this condition in evaluate expression? You added the evaluate expression condition. Correct or not? Let me go to custom report and edit. Let's add the true or false condition for female also. Just for your clarity. Okay. See guys, if female equal to true, correct? See, if gender equal to female, this condition satisfied, it says yes, correct or not? Then the evaluate expression should return F. If gender equal to male, this male condition satisfied, it should return F. For not declared, this both conditions are not satisfied. Evaluate expression, it should return the empty string, correct or not? Empty string. Hope you understand, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Perfect. So let's create the one more true or false condition for copy this. Not declare. I am creating for not declare. Gender equal to not declare, right? Not declare true. Can I create the text constant also? Go to evaluate expression. Can I add the not declare? Same as male, female, not declare. Okay. Go to report. Can I add the not declare also? See, if gender equal to not declare, this condition satisfied, NA is coming. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, anybody can think carefully. Anybody can think carefully. Can we do this in a better way? This is absolutely correct. This logic is absolutely correct. Do you think can we handle this in any better way? Anybody can think can we handle this process in different way?
Can we replace the default value with one of this condition?
Which condition?
Not declared true,
Hmm.
not declared true in a default value because we are giving empty string.
Mm-hmm.
There we can replace with that and we can remove that condition
Mm-hmm.
in the bottom.
Anybody can guess any other logic? Hmm? How many genders we have? How many genders we have?
3.
Oh,
3. Female, male, not declared. Here you are adding the 3 conditions. This is the correct, no issue, no doubt at all. This is the absolutely correct logic. Yes, what you said is absolutely correct. Gender is only have 3 now. You are writing male, female, it's fine. If male or female not be there, obviously it's not declared. Correct or not? Then the default value must be text constant NA instead of empty string. Please use the text constant NA and remove this one. Correct or not? If male, M written. If female, F written. If both are not there, the third option only not declared, NA will written by default. Why unnecessarily you are creating why unnecessarily you are putting one more effort and creating additional calculated field? You are putting a lot of effort, right? Okay. Online people. This is logic is correct only. No doubt at all. Okay. This we can call it as a hard work. Okay. Online people.
Yes, sir.
If you are adding this, okay, this we can call it as a smart work. Both are because that's a meaningful. I'm telling that. This is the hard work. This is the smart work. That's what the only difference. You remove this and added that. It's a smart work. You are not putting so much effort. You are giving the business requirement exactly. But this is also correct. But it's a hard work. That's the difference. You people can think carefully, logically. You keep improve yourself, which is the better way of doing that. Okay. Hope you understand, guys.
So can't we directly give the NA in the default value?
That's what I do, right? NA.
Means instead of creating the calculated field, can we create a NA directly?
We don't have any field directly. You can check it. We don't have
Okay,
any
sir.
NA field directly. It must be a text constant field, right? That's why we created that. Now you can utilize it. But you can exclude the condition, the true or false condition. Okay. Because genders are
Okay,
only
sir.
3. Male or female, this will return. Take care of that. If not, the default value anyway it will return. That's it. See, And we don't need this condition if you make this as a default value at evaluate expression. Okay,
Yes, sir.
perfect. So do you really need these fields in your report output? Male true, female
No,
true,
sir.
not declared true, no, right?
No,
I'm,
sir.
I'm going to remove. Just for your understanding, I added this one, okay? Just for your understanding, I am adding this. Can I remove? And this we can call it as a gender. That evaluate expression we can maintain as gender. Just for your knowledge purpose, understanding purpose, I am keeping these two fields next to each other. In real time, I will also remove this field. I will just take it only for this field, and this information we are sending to the a third party system. Hope you understand the behind the whole logic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. That's what you people can think carefully. See, when you are writing the evaluate expression, so these all we added just for your clarifications, understanding, and this is a field only we are going to display in the output, and remaining all fields behind in the evaluate expression. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Let's move on to the. Anyone have any doubts regarding this evaluate expression? Multiple if conditions. If this condition is true, the statement will execute. This condition is true, this statement. Multiple if conditions is nothing but, see, multiple if conditions is nothing but evaluate expression. Okay, guys? Perfect. Chalo, move to the next calculated field, evaluate expression band. What is that? Evaluate expression band. RR underscore 128 underscore no, only if condition. We don't have else condition. If condition, that's it. A multiple if conditions is nothing but evaluate expression. Okay. The if else condition should be part of C language and C++ language. In Workday, always be a if condition. There is no else condition. Okay. We'll discuss upcoming sessions in integrations. Evaluate expression band. Okay. Do you observe anything on the evaluate expression band and evaluate expression? Do you see any field type option for evaluate expression band?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No. You can write the condition if female. In the written values, you always hard coded that, correct or not? If your condition is satisfied, this is your conditions. Conditions must be true or false only, mandatory. Then what value you are looking for? You can always give the free hard coded text. That's it. So, evaluate expression band did not specify any field type. Evaluate expression band did not specify any field type. The evaluate expression should always select a free hard-coded text constant. If gender equal to male, we want to return M, right? You can define M value directly. If gender equal to female, you can return the value of directly. Default value you want to return NA, you can write the NA. It's a free hard-coded text. Okay. So in case you are looking for data mapping a text constant and which we have more values, I think we would recommend it to use evaluate expression band. Okay. Online people. Hope you understand.
Yes,
So
sir.
this evaluate expression band should useful whenever you are doing some data mapping and it is a text constant and we have a number of text constants. Okay, we would recommend that use the evaluate expression band. So we have a 140 country codes. We have country in India. Third party system is referring IND. USA, it is referring USA. We have 140 countries and country codes we have. So which one you would prefer to go? Which one you should go to prefer?
Evaluate
Evaluate
expression
expression
band.
band.
Evaluate expression band should be easy, correct or not? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Only for a text constant number of fields, yes, we would recommend it to use the evaluate expression band. Okay. Evaluate expression band should not be specified any field type, and evaluate expression band should always return the free hard coded text. You can check the condition. If that condition is satisfied, whatever the text value you are looking for, that value can directly return here. So in your data mapping, you have a number of text field you want to return. Always work the recommended to use evaluate expression band. Okay, easy and faster. That's it. Perfect. So online people, anyone have any doubts regarding these two calculated fields? Hmm?
No,
Online,
sir.
perfect. So there is a most common interview questions nowadays, guys. What is the difference between evaluate expression and evaluate expression band? What is the difference between evaluate expression and evaluate expression band? So very simple. Evaluate expression should always specify the field type. Always specify. Always specify the field type. Correct or not? But evaluate expression band. But evaluate expression band should not specify the field type. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The second difference is evaluate expression band field type always be a single instance field type. What is the field type it is? Single instance field type. But evaluate expression field type dynamically change whatever field type you selected. You created the evaluate expression band. What is the field type you choose in text field? Then this field type as a text field. Can I create one more? Okay, I'm creating the version number 2. I selected the date field, guys. I selected the date field. Okay, I'm writing some condition. Okay, I just added some dummy dates. It's okay. I'm just adding some logic, dummy logic. If male equal to true, so if male equal to today's date plus one date, it will return. or else it will return only today's date. Generally, on dummy logic. You guys can tell me what is the field type of this evaluate expression?
Date field.
Date.
Hmm. If you added one more evaluate expression, this time you are selecting the evaluate expression. This time you selected the numeric value. Okay. If gender equal to female something. Okay. I want to display some number. By defaultly, number one it will come. If female equal to true, 1, 2, 3 it will come. What is the field type it is? What is the
Num-
field type of evaluate expression?
Numeric.
Numeric.
See,
Numeric value.
the evaluate expression field type dynamically change whatever field type you selected. Correct or not? But evaluate expression band should always be a one field type that is a single instance. I still remember this question. One of our student got job opportunity. He got the opportunities in IBM, guys. There are 6 people went to interview. Okay, face-to-face interview. The panel was asked this question: what is the difference between evaluate expression and evaluate expression band? Everybody is saying that evaluate expression band should not be specify the field type. Evaluate expression should be specify the field type, and both are using for data mapping purpose. If gender equal to male, we want to return M. Female, F return NA not declare. NA it will return. So these kind of data mapping, we use evaluate expression and evaluate expression band. The primary difference between evaluate expression and evaluate expression band: evaluate expression always be specify the field type, but evaluate expression band should not be specified any field type. This always be using the free hard-coded text. But no one is not telling that evaluate expression dynamically change the field type based on the field type what we selected. But evaluate expression band should always be a single instance field type. But one of our students explained the process very clearly, and the panel was very impressed because the only person is telling the very detailed information. He got the opportunity. We don't know, man. Seriously, that's knowledge is very important. Where exactly it will use, how much you understand, how much you are able to explain. That's what the decide factor. You are a different person compared to the remaining people. Hope you understand. The second difference.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So once you understand the foundations, once you understand the fundamentals, once you understand the concept overall, yes, you can build n number of ways, but without understanding, without fundamentals, it's not so easy to you directly jump into the next level. Correct or not? Usually it is just 5 minutes topic. How much patience I have to explain to the reach the people? Almost 1 hour I spend to explain the whole concept. Maybe after you earning the knowledge, 2 3 years, you understand. Anjibra has lot of patience. Just 5 minutes topic he explained almost 1 hour. How quality of training we are giving. That's what the people can. That's why even I got the number of references. Okay, my students, relatives, my students, brother only, because they have also 5 plus years of experience in workday. They also have more than 5 years. They are also well settled in workday, but still people are referring to him. They don't have much patience to explain the concepts. You go and teach. You just go and connected to Anjibro. Just a small amount of money. Go and get knowledge, and just I will give you more information further later. That's what the people always believe us. Okay, guys, take 10 minutes break. Okay, and we can restart the session again. Okay, I'm stopping this particular session.